মোৰ মৰমৰ সপ্তম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে ক্লাছ 7ৰ ইংৰাজীৰ প্ৰথমটো লেসন যাৰ শিৰোনাম হৈছে হবিজ। এই লেসনটোৰ যিবিলাক টেক্সচুৱেল কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ্ছ আৰু এক্টিভিটিজ সেইখিনি সমাধান কৰিম। যদি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে মোৰ চেনেলটোত আহিছা, ইয়াক ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'বা আৰু লগতে কাষত থকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক কৰি দিবা। So lesson is about hobbies. And hobbies are none other than different activities that we do in our free time and which give us fun, joy and pleasure. So here some pictures are given where some of the boys and girls are performing some types of hobbies. Let us know what these hobbies are. So first one is photography, then it is mountaineering, then it is reading, then painting, next one is playing, and the last one is philately. Now let us move to the question answer section. Our first question is, let's find out how much we have understood. What is a hobby? We know that activities that give us fun and joy are hobbies. Our next question, what do hobbies give us? Hobbies give us pleasure and enjoyment. Our next question is, what is philately? What difficulty would you face if you take up philately? Answer to the first question is, the collecting and study of stamps is called philately. And the answer to the next question is, nowadays people do not write letters. Instead, they mostly communicate through email, SMS and MMS. So, it is becoming difficult to get stamps easily. Next question, what is Irfan's hobby? What does he like to do? So Irfan's hobby is painting and he likes to sit and paint landscapes. Our next question, name a few indoor and outdoor hobbies. We know the hobbies which are performed inside the house are called indoor hobbies, and hobbies that are performed outside the house are called outdoor hobbies. So a few indoor activities or hobbies are playing, painting, collecting stamps, coins, listening to music and reading books, whereas a few outdoor activities like playing, painting, gardening, traveling, swimming, trekking and photography are outdoor hobbies. Our next question, what is a kitchen garden? So a kitchen garden is a place generally at the backyard of house for growing of fruits and vegetables by using kitchen wastes and water. Our next question, every morning I water the plants and clean the beds. What does bed mean here? So here bed means the piece of ground where plants or vegetables are grown. Our next question, a synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, happy, joyful. Now a box is given below and within the box all total 12 words are written. Now you have to choose words which are synonyms of the given words and write each synonym next to the word in the blanks below. These words are pleasure, energetic, pretty, free time, grow, spare time, lovely, happiness, launch, begin, sporty and evolve. So for joy, we can say pleasure and happiness are the synonyms of joy, and pretty and lovely are the synonyms of beautiful, whereas energetic and sporty are the synonyms of active. Free time and spare time are the synonyms of leisure. Launch and begin are the synonyms of start, and grow and evolve are the synonyms of develop. Next question. Look at the pictures of objects given below. Each object is related to an activity. Now write the name of the object and the related activity in the space provided. One has been done for you. Here, some objects are given and what activity is done with these objects. Like for guitar, we use it for singing, as it is in case of bat. We use a bat for playing. We use a bicycle for riding. We use a pen for writing. We use a book for reading. And we use a boat for sailing. Next activity is activity number 5. Here it is written that Province's hobby is baking. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph below with the words that rhyme with bake, such as shake. So now you have to think about various words which rhyme with the word bake, like shake, cake, take, make, etc. and fill in the blanks given below. Like in the first blank it will be cake, and in the second blank it will be bake, then take, after that shake, then take and make, again after that there is shake, again cake, take, and the last one is cake. So if you now read the whole paragraph, it will be meaningful and all the blanks are filled with the rhyming of bake. Next one is an itinerary. Here it is written that Raktim's hobby is traveling. He loves visiting places. He always prepares his itinerary before traveling. He leaves his itinerary with his mother. His mother knows where he is by looking at his itinerary. Read his itinerary. So basically, an itinerary is a plan of a journey. It is a travel plan where you will go, when you will be there, and what you will do, etc. So let us read Raktim's itinerary. Here it is written personal travel. Destination Majuli, Assam. Duration of stay 2 days. Date of departure 10th of November. And date of arrival is 12th November. Place of stay Maihang Lodge, Kamalabari, Tiniali. What to do? Visit Satras, enjoy Rasutsav, and visit local markets. Now we have to prepare our own itinerary. So the fields are given: destination, duration of stay, date of departure, date of arrival, place of stay, and what to do. So you can think about a place where you want to visit. Like this one, like destination is Sivsagar, Assam. Duration of stay 2 days. Date of departure 5th of July. And date of arrival is 7th of July. So places of stay are Sivsagar homestay. And what to do there? Visit Ranghar, Kalinghar, Sivdol, Talatal Ghar, Assam Thai Museum, Golaghar, etc. Next activity is read this sentence. Note the part of the sentence in italics. A happy person is usually as busy as a bee. So the part of the sentence in italics is called an idiom. So as busy as a bee means very busy. The use of common idioms makes English appear more natural. Some common English idioms are a blessing in disguise, bag and baggage, beat about the bush. Now you have to try to use these 3 idioms in sentences of your own, and if you want you can look up the dictionary to learn their meaning. So a blessing in disguise means hidden good, whereas bag and baggage means with one's all belongings, and beat about the bush means unnecessary discussion or discussion without coming to the point. Now you have to make sentences for each these 3 idioms. First one is a blessing in disguise. The lockdown in 2020 proved to be a blessing in disguise. It gave me lots of time to spend with my family. Next one is bag and baggage. The day he quit his job, John walked out bag and baggage. And the last one is beat about the bush. If you want to ask me, just ask. Don't beat about the bush. Now let us move to the activity number 8. Here it is written that in class 6 you learned that we can make a word by adding a suffix. So do you remember what was a suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word. That is a letter or a group of letters at the end of a word. So in the exercise below, write the new words by adding suffix ment at the end of the words. And one has been done for you, like advance. Advance, and if we add the suffix ment, it becomes a new word which is advancement. Like treat. Treat plus ment, it will be treatment. Encourage plus ment, it will be encouragement. And entertain plus ment means entertainment. So next, a table is given where you have to read the lesson and write in the box the words ending with the following suffixes like ion, ing, and ment. So let us see how we can do this. From the lesson, combination, competition, collection, communication, and relaxation, these are the words that ends with the suffix ion. With ing, you can make some words like singing, collecting, listening, reading, and traveling. Do remember, I am only giving you some of the examples. If you go through the lesson properly, you can make various other words also. And with ment, words like department, advancement can be made. Now let us move to the last activity, that is activity number 9. Here it is written that read the lesson and locate the sentences where the following phrasal verbs beginning with take occur. Then write the sentence set in the space given below the word wave. So see, here it is written take, take up, and take out. Now you have to make sentences with these phrasal verbs. Like first one, I like to take out my harmonium and play tunes on it. Second one, I take out my paint box and brush and keep myself busy. Third one, I used to take out the stamps from the envelopes and stick them in an album. And the last one is, we can keep ourselves busy and active if we take up a hobby. So my dear students, here we conclude our English first lesson, that is hobby. Hope you all have learned and enjoyed the lesson. Do like and share the video among your friends.